so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Rah! Today, you and I are gonna draw a shark. Not just any shark, a great white shark. Yeah, do you know what color they are? Yeah, the color gray. Gray on top, white on the bottom. All right, let's take our gray marker and make a curved line, make a point, come back. Whoa, and now for the tail. Whoa, yeah, look at that. That's a great start. All right, now we need to make some fins. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's really looking like a shark now. Look at all those angles and points. They kind of look like triangles, don't they? All right, now let's draw a line right through here. Wow, and now we need to draw the teeth. Rah! So pointy and sharp. Ah! And a nice circle for an eye. Whoa! Did you know great white sharks, on average, they grow to 15 feet in length. That's about 4.5 meters. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Oh, and you can't forget about all the spots, just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye! Caw, caw, caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bird. Caw, caw, caw. A stork, to be exact. Yeah, storks are really big birds, and they have really big beaks. Why don't we draw a stork together? Okay, here we go. Let's draw a big marker, and then start with the head. There we go. Whoa, and the body, a little squiggle. And right here. Wow, it's starting to look like a bird. Yeah. First, let's draw the big long bill. Yeah, it's kind of like a triangle, right? And then, here we go. And the eyeball, there we go. But you can't forget about the legs. 2 legs with cute feet, just like that. And then, the wing, that's how they fly. Ooh, and then sometimes, yeah, in stories, they can carry babies. Cool. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Caw, caw, caw. Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa, I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa, and then you get to eat the cake. So yummy. So let's draw a straight line, and then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see my drawing pad? Do you know what shape this is? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Hey, why don't you and I draw some shapes together today? All right, let's pick blue. All right, let's start with a circle. Yeah, you know how to draw a circle. Yeah, a circle is one continuous line, and it continues all the way back to where it started with no sharp corners. Cool, so that is a circle. All right, let's take purple, and let's draw a square. All right, and it is 4 corners that are 90 degrees each. So here's one line, another line, another line, and another line. And that right there is a square. Whoa, hey, and I have a really tricky one. Yeah, and it's part of our bodies, our heart. Oh, because I love you. Here we go. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful heart. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah, and then for the body, ooh, and one arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Rah. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Trick or treat. Whoa. Do you know what trick or treat is from? Yeah, Halloween. And do you know what people decorate their houses with? Jack-o'-lanterns. Yeah, jack-o'-lanterns are pumpkins that they carve pieces out to make silly faces with. And they look really cool. So first, let's take orange because pumpkins are orange. And then let's draw a circle, but it's not a normal circle. It's a squished down circle, as if you squished it from the top and the bottom. And then let's draw some lines. Yeah, so then we can give it some texture, but then we need a stem right up here, just like that. There you go. Whoa, and then for the silly face, whoa! Let's draw some triangles. There we go. Here we go. And for the mouth. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, like a tooth. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Trick or treat.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!